Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to format cells as currency in Google Sheets. What this will do is to format the numerical value that is entered on your Google Sheets cell as a currency. Now let's say for example, this will be in dollars, this will be in other currencies, and on how to do that, that is what I'm going to teach you today. Now as you can see currently in my Google Sheets file, I have a merged cell. We got different of values, got different of sheets. In sheet 1 we even got a formula, a function, and if you're wondering how to do those, we already have a dedicated playlist that compiles all the Google Sheets tutorial on our YouTube channel, so please be sure to check it out. Now in this video we're going to focus on currency, and this is actually a useful tool, especially if you are tabulating data, you are computing for a money, you're making a formal spreadsheet for your company, and all of those stuff. And what's good about this or Google Sheets is that it offers a wide range of currencies that you can choose from on Google Sheets itself. Now to change a currency or to format this currency, all we have to do is to click on an existing cell. However, before proceeding with anything else, please make sure that the Google Chrome or the browser that you are using to open Google Sheets is currently up to date, as by doing so we can avoid any unexpected errors that may come along our way. Now to format a cell as a currency, what you have to do is to click on that cell that has the numerical value, like so, to make it the active cell. As you can see, it is highlighted by blue, and pressing this icon right here, the $sign icon. Now this may differ in different countries or different regions, but by default this is what is set, the $sign. Now as you can see, if we press on that, it can set a dollar. You can set your numerical value as a currency. It even has a decimal place for the cents and all of those stuff. And to set multiple cells as a currency, all you have to do is to click and drag to the cells that you would like to turn into a currency. To highlight it, as you can see, it is highlighted as blue. Now we can press this one and it will format all of it as currency, just like so. Now you may ask, how do we format if we are not, let's say for example you're not from the States, let's say for example you're from other countries and you would like to format these numerical values as a different currency? All you have to do is to click on this active cell. Then to the upper panel of your screen we have different of options to choose from, but on the left side we got the search the menus function, and all we have to do is to type in the word currency. Now we got a number format, we got currency rounded, but focus on the custom currency. Click on this one, and as you can see we got different of currencies that we can choose from. Let's say for example I'm from the Philippines, we have the Philippine peso right over here. Click on this one and click on apply, and as you can see, if we drag and drop, we can actually set all of it as the same data with the peso sign as well. As simple as that, we can format our data in our cell in Google Sheets as different currencies, by dollars, by Philippine peso, and many more. If you learned something in this video, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to our YouTube channel. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.